Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to another video from TW White & Sons. So here we have a very special little Mazda 2. It's a sport nav manual vehicle, but this is the 115 PS version. So the slightly more powerful car with the 6-speed manual gearbox. Now, this car is immaculate. It really is, and that's a dangerous word to say, but it's exceptional. Now, bearing in mind, was it 9 years old? So I'm sure under a microscope they may be able to find a defect, but it is absolutely lovely. Now, the previous owner, wife actually, has bought her cars here at Orpington, TW White's Orpington Mazda, for many years. But he actually purchased this from our competitor, Bourne Road. Well, competitor, another local garage. Very nice people, just down the road from us, and always had it serviced with them. So it's got a full, complete service history from Mazda, Bourne Road, just down the road from us in Crayford. Which he bought from there, and the car is immaculate. I mean, hopefully, if you study the photographs, you'll be able to see it is absolutely beautiful. And being the 115 model with a 6-speed gearbox makes it even better. And it's got all the accessories on it: the side skirts, the boot spoiler. These are things that maybe myself I wouldn't have paid for, but getting them on a car, it's just an added bonus. And this car still has the grandfather rights of the low road tax, so it's £35 a year to tax as we currently speak. So there's a lot going for this car. Full history, which I'll share with you. Wonderful spec, exceptional condition. It's done 76,000 miles. If you told me it had done 26,000 miles, I'd believe you. In fact, if you told me it had done 16,000 miles, I'd believe you. It's got the original overmats. It's got scuff plates up front. Look at that interior. Beautiful. It's got the centre armrest. Scuff plates. Absolutely beautiful. No unpleasant smells. It's just a very nice car. So please don't expect this to be the same as other 16 plate cars out there. I'd imagine it'd be hard to beat the condition of this. So let's get inside. Look, steering wheel all in great shape. I found that steering wheels have taken a battering since COVID. I think hand sanitizer has taken its toll on a lot of wheels. 2 keys. Let me start the car. $76,230 miles. Now, look at this. It's even come with 3/4 of a tank of fuel. Now, we always say, actually, between myself and my colleagues, oh, sorry about that, the cars that come in with fuel in them tend to be the most well looked after cars. I don't know if that's a thing, but it's something that we tend to notice. Now, you've got a Bluetooth system, auto lights, wipers, climate control. You've got lane departure warning. You've got reverse sensors. You've got DAB radio. Now, this system can actually be upgraded, yeah? So on this page here, you'll have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So you can have CarPlay. That's £300 plus VAT. We can fit that before you collect or we deliver the car. 6-speed gearbox, which makes it extra zippy and gives it that better fuel consumption. Now, I'm always a bit nosy. This car has averaged 49.2 mpg. We are in and around London, so I'll give you a good idea. Now, unlike a lot of the small cars out there, this has a 4-cylinder naturally aspirated engine. So basically, it's not complicated and it's not under-engineered with a lack of a cylinder. So these cars last. They're not worn out at sort of 40,000 miles, which I find a lot of these smaller engines are. Now, remember I said it's got a full history. Look at this. Supplied, Bourne Road. First service 17, second 18, third 19, then 21. There was always a missing service in 2020 because of COVID. I find that in most cars. 22, 23, 24. The last service at 68,000. So due a service now, which we shall do. So there'll be another entry there from TW White & Sons, Mazda, Orpington, to complement this full service history. So this is, I say, a truly exceptional car, extremely good value for money. Will come with a Mazda 12 months Mazda ZZ Plus used car warranty. Yeah, so that's a follow-on from the manufacturer's warranty. It's excellent. It comes with roadside assistance, which is comprehensive. It is home start. It is European cover. Okay. Now, we have an excellent part exchange policy because we actually want your part exchange. So regardless of make, model, condition, etc., we want your part X. Tell me what you got. Let's see what we can do. Hopefully we can deliver that seamless, enjoyable buying experience. Okay. We've got wonderful finance facilities. Please do inquire for full T's and C's. And we are here to help. We're a 7-day-a-week business. We don't mind responding out of hours. Get in touch. Let's see what we can do. Okay? So please do like, subscribe, comment and share. And do look at our reviews. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.